Hello everyone, friends. This is part 1 of my series of video explaining about what does it require to change the world. Friends, many well-known spiritual teachers in the present are claiming that we are about to enter into a new era of world. The old suffering world is coming to an end and a new joyful world is about to emerge. There is a lot of excitement among people regarding this concept. All are eagerly waiting for their suffering to come to an end. As the forecast about the changed world is becoming widespread among people, many people have started making assumptions how the changed world will look and feel like. Many people have started discussing, debating, and even arguing with their fellow people how the process of the world change should be conducted. But everyone is preaching according to their perspective, which is based upon their needs and desires. But it is nothing more than a personal point of view. Many people have assumed that the change in world has to do with progress on materialistic level. They are expecting more money, more respect, more appreciation, more love and joy, etc. They are expecting many things which will make them happy on materialistic level. Many people are expecting a hero to arrive in the scene. This hero will fight against all the evil, remove all the hardship from people's life, and finally make a loving, happy, and joyful world for the people. It is the Savior's job to save the people. Majority of people are analyzing something they are completely unaware about. The upcoming world change will be a spiritual transformation. Most of the people don't at all know what new spiritual concepts are all about, but they will definitely participate in the discussions and judge everything going around as right or wrong. People's judgment about how the upcoming world's transformation will be is usually based upon their needs about how they want to see the world. This has given rise to a flood of different opinions which are usually in conflict with each other. This has set a chain of misinterpretations. Establishing a proper management will be severely difficult up till people's mind is preoccupied with misinterpretations. That's why I'm making this series of video which will give you a broad overview about what the upcoming world change is all about. This may or may not appeal you depending upon your present belief structure of mind. You may even find it disheartening because you will come to know that upcoming world change has a little to do with progress on materialistic level. Many people are desperately waiting for more money, more love, more respect, more social status, etc. You will definitely get these things at the end when the world will be finally transformed. But before that, you have to go through a long and very tough process of change. Many people are expecting the Savior to come and change the world. But it's not the solo role of Savior to change the world for you. The main aim of world transformation is to make people realize their divinity, their spiritual potential. They have to learn how magnificent they are. They will never come to know about their potential if they are only receiving. People have to become both giver and receiver. Giver means giving their contribution in world's transformation, and receiving means receiver of their blessings. It is the contribution of each and every person on this planet which will transform the world. The Savior can guide you until you have learned to work from your own internal guidance. But finally, you have to realize your own divinity and work from your own divine guidance. What is your specific contribution in this process of world's transformation will naturally unfold with time. But present time is not at all appropriate to seek some specific divine plan. Whatever you are observing around you is a chain of misinterpretations. You can work towards correcting the false beliefs in your mind, but no specific plan should be expected in the present as our mind is not receptive enough for it yet. In this series of video, you will find a very basic and general idea about what needs to be done to change the world and what can be your contribution. No specific plan is mentioned over here. The spiritual concepts explained over here are also general in nature. You will find the teachings and guidelines in this video relatable either at once in the present or after 6 months, 1 year, 2 year or at any point of your lifetime. But you will definitely find it relatable at some point of your life. Friends, if you want a detailed explanation of the spiritual concepts explained in these videos, you can read my book Divine Challenges, which is available on Amazon for sale. The spiritual concepts quickly explained in these videos can be learned in detail and in step-by-step manner in the book. I hope you will find it useful. So guys, I leave you guys over here. Please purchase my book. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my video. I'll see you in the next video of this series.